Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anupriya and I hope you all are doing great. So before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel and also like this video and share it with your friends and family. So today I am here with a product review and this is from a brand Bella Vita Organic. You can find more about this brand from Google and from the Instagram page. I will link it in the description box just in case you want to check it out. Now a month ago they had sent me their two products. One was their hand curated candles and second was their face gel cream. But today I'm going to talk about face gel cream. Just in case you want to check about their candles, you can visit my Instagram page, that is anupriya_diaries. You can find a descriptive post over there. You can also check it on Bella Vita Organic page as well. Now for the face gel cream, I have given around a month and I have tested this product and I'm absolutely loving this one. Now before starting and going into this product description, let me first tell you about this brand a little. And this one is from a daughter and mother venture. They had started back in 2011 and they operate everything from their Gurgaon location. Now firstly I want to show about their box. Now the gel cream comes in this kind of cardboard box. You can find the name and for what it is good for and about the key ingredients at front. You can also find the description of the ingredients and the directions how to use it over there. Now you can find the price money at the back. Now this box is of 85 gram and it retails for 499. You can easily find it on discount on Amazon or on their product site as well. Now let me show about the product, the inner box. Now the inner box looks like this. Again, you can find the name and everything, the logo over here. Now let me show you the consistency first. Now this is a perfect gel cream and it's very soft on the skin. You just have to take a generous amount and to massage it on your skin and it will be absorbed in seconds. Now you can use this cream both in day and night as well. I prefer using it in night after washing my face and everything, and after that I apply some other like night cream or everything. Now this is a perfect night cream and you can also use it in a day beneath your makeup, so it will make sure that your makeup slides smoothly. So yeah, I think it's good like a primer or everything also, but along with that it has very good properties because the key ingredients are just amazing. The key ingredients are papaya, turmeric, sandal. Now along with this they have also like glycerin, herbal oil, sandalwood oils and everything. Now they claim that they actually help in improving complexion, repairing skin and fighting blemish and pigmentations because they have good properties of turmeric and sandalwood in this product. Now you can definitely buy this out from Amazon or also from their Bella Vita Organic page as well. They run quite a good discounts over there, so you can easily get this product at cheaper rates also, and you should definitely give this one a try because the best part is that it smells so good. It's 100% Indian, organic, Ayurvedic, so everything is good about this product. There are no harmful chemicals and they do mention this information on the packaging as well. They mention that they have no toxic chemicals, no parabens, no sulfates, no harsh chemicals, nothing. They are cruelty free, ISO certified, Ayurvedic certified, so everything is good about this one. You won't be getting any bad things in this particular product, so it's a must try product. So just in case you want to check it out, you can get into my description box and you can find the links how to buy it, from where you can buy it, and you can get this product very easily on Amazon. So it's a must try product. Do try it once and you are going to love it. So yeah, that was all for today's video and I hope you really enjoyed this one. Do share and like this video and tell me in the comment section what are your views. So yeah, that was all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.